What if I told you that the world of high-stakes journalism is just as thrilling, risky, and unpredictable as a high-stakes poker game? Imagine sitting at a table where every decision could make or break your career, where the stakes are not just money but truth, integrity, and the trust of millions. What drives someone to gamble their reputation, their career, and sometimes even their safety to uncover the truth? These are the questions at the heart of Gambling Man by Lionel Barber, a gripping memoir that takes you behind the scenes of one of the most influential careers in modern journalism. If you've ever wondered what it takes to lead in a world where the stakes are always high, this book is for you. Introduction. Gambling Man is a memoir by Lionel Barber, the former editor of the Financial Times, one of the world's most respected newspapers. Over his 14-year tenure, Barber transformed the FT into a global powerhouse, navigating the turbulent waters of the 2008 financial crisis, the rise of digital media, and a shifting landscape of global politics. But this isn't just a book about journalism. It's a story about risk, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of truth in an era of fake news and misinformation. Barber's journey is a testament to the power of courage, integrity, and adaptability in the face of uncertainty. If you're fascinated by leadership, media, or the inner workings of global events, this book is a must-read. The high-stakes world of journalism. Barber paints a vivid picture of the pressures and challenges of running a major newspaper. Every decision, whether to publish a controversial story, how to cover a breaking news event, or how to adapt to the digital age, comes with risks. Barber compares journalism to gambling, where the stakes are high and the outcomes are never certain. He shares anecdotes about the sleepless nights, the tough calls, and the moments of triumph that come with the territory. This section is a masterclass in decision-making under pressure and the importance of staying true to your principles, even when the odds are stacked against you. The 2008 financial crisis, a defining moment. One of the most gripping sections of the book is Barber's account of the 2008 financial crisis. He describes how the FT played a crucial role in uncovering the truth about the collapsing financial system, often going against the grain of mainstream narratives. Barber takes readers inside the newsroom, revealing how his team worked tirelessly to connect the dots and expose the risky behavior of banks and financial institutions. This section is not just about journalism. It's about the importance of holding power to account and the role of the media in safeguarding democracy. Barber's insights into the crisis are both enlightening and sobering, offering a behind-the-scenes look at one of the most significant events of our time. The rise of digital media. Barber was at the helm of the FT during a time when traditional print media was being upended by the digital revolution. He shares insights into how the FT adapted to this new landscape, from launching a successful paywall to embracing social media. Barber's leadership during this period is a case study in innovation and resilience. He discusses the challenges of balancing the need for speed and accessibility with the importance of maintaining journalistic standards. His experiences offer valuable lessons for anyone navigating change in their industry, whether you're in media, business, or any other field. Leadership under pressure. Leading a newsroom is no easy task, especially during times of crisis. Barber reflects on the qualities of a good leader: decisiveness, integrity, and the ability to inspire trust. He shares stories of how he managed his team through some of the most challenging moments in recent history, from the financial crisis to the Brexit referendum. Barber also doesn't shy away from discussing his mistakes, making this a deeply human and relatable account of leadership. His humility and willingness to learn from his errors are a reminder that even the most successful leaders are constantly evolving. The importance of independence. Throughout the book, Barber emphasizes the importance of editorial independence. In an era where media outlets are often accused of bias, He argues that maintaining objectivity and integrity is more important than ever. This principle guided many of his toughest decisions, from covering Brexit to reporting on corporate scandals. Barber's commitment to independence is a refreshing reminder of the core values that should underpin journalism. He also discusses the challenges of maintaining this independence in a world where advertisers, shareholders, and political pressures can often influence editorial decisions. The global perspective. Barber's career took him around the world, from Washington to Beijing, and his memoir offers a unique perspective on global events. He provides fascinating insights into the personalities of world leaders, the intricacies of international diplomacy, and the challenges of reporting on a global scale. Barber's ability to navigate different cultures and political systems is a testament to his adaptability and curiosity. This section of the book is particularly compelling for anyone interested in international relations or global business. The personal cost of ambition. While the book is largely about Barber's professional life, he also delves into the personal sacrifices he made along the way. The long hours, the constant pressure, and the toll on his personal life are all part of the story. Barber is candid about the impact his career had on his relationships and his health, offering a rare glimpse into the human side of leadership. It's a reminder that success often comes at a cost, and that finding balance is one of the greatest challenges of any high-stakes career. The future of journalism. In the final chapters, Barber reflects on the future of journalism. He is both optimistic and cautious, acknowledging the challenges posed by declining trust in media and the rise of misinformation, but also highlighting the enduring importance of quality journalism in a democratic society. Barber's vision for the future is one where journalists continue to hold power to account, but also adapt to the changing needs of their audience. He calls for greater collaboration between media organizations, as well as a renewed focus on investigative journalism and in-depth reporting. This section is a call to action for anyone who cares about the future of the media and its role in society. The role of technology in journalism. Barber also delves into the role of technology in shaping the future of journalism. He discusses the rise of artificial intelligence, data journalism, and the use of algorithms in newsrooms. While he acknowledges the potential of these technologies to enhance reporting, he also warns of the risks, such as the spread of misinformation and the erosion of human judgment. Barber's insights into the intersection of technology and journalism are particularly relevant in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world. The power of storytelling. At its core, Gambling Man is a book about the power of storytelling. Barber's ability to weave together personal anecdotes, historical events, and broader themes is a testament to his skill as a writer and journalist. He reminds us that storytelling is not just about conveying information. It's about connecting with people, inspiring change, and making sense of the world. This section of the book is a celebration of the art of journalism and its enduring impact on society. The ethical dilemmas of journalism. Barber doesn't shy away from discussing the ethical dilemmas that journalists face. From deciding whether to publish sensitive information to navigating conflicts of interest, he provides a candid look at the tough choices that come with the job. Barber's reflections on ethics are a reminder that journalism is not just about reporting the news. It's about doing so responsibly and with integrity. The impact of social media. Barber also explores the impact of social media on journalism. He discusses how platforms like Twitter and Facebook have changed the way news is consumed and shared, and the challenges this poses for traditional media outlets. Barber's insights into the role of social media in shaping public opinion are both timely and thought-provoking. The importance of diversity in newsrooms. Barber emphasizes the importance of diversity in newsrooms, both in terms of gender and ethnicity. He argues that a diverse newsroom is better equipped to cover a diverse world and shares his efforts to promote diversity at the FT. This section of the book is a call to action for media organizations to prioritize diversity and inclusion. The role of journalism in a democracy. Barber reflects on the crucial role that journalism plays in a democracy. He argues that a free and independent press is essential for holding power to account and ensuring transparency. Barber's reflections on the role of journalism in a democracy are a powerful reminder of the importance of a free press in today's world. The legacy of Lionel Barber. In the final chapters, Barber reflects on his legacy and the impact he hopes to have had on the world of journalism. He shares his hopes for the future of the FT and the broader media landscape, and offers advice for the next generation of journalists. Barber's reflections on his legacy are a fitting conclusion to a remarkable career. Conclusion. Gambling Man is more than just a memoir. It's a masterclass in leadership, resilience, and the pursuit of truth. Whether you're a journalist, a business leader, or simply someone who loves a good story, this book has something for you. Lionel Barber's journey is a testament to the power of courage, integrity, and adaptability in the face of uncertainty. His insights into the world of journalism, the challenges of leadership, and the future of media are both enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed this summary, I highly recommend picking up a copy of Gambling Man to dive deeper into Barber's fascinating world. His stories will not only entertain you, but also challenge you to think differently about the world around you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth book summaries. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest risk you've ever taken in your career or life? Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.